Not sure which gym machines to use to burn that belly fat? I'm gonna show you in this video which exercise to do to torch that fat. Let's go. All right, y'all, so I've been training and being a fitness coach for about a decade now, a long time. All these exercises I'm gonna show you, they have been proven and tested. I've been doing it with clients in person, online for a long time. So first thing I would say is cardio. Of course, you can add that in. That's one of the machines you can do. I recommend a Stairmaster. I know a lot of people don't like to do it, but Stairmaster, treadmill, all that, of course. But actual machines that you can use, let's get into it. So the first one is a weighted crunch. You can call it a lot of different things, but a weighted crunch, you're just putting a rope on there. Then I like to hold it right here next to my neck. Then do about 3 or 4 sets, but it's basically just crunching down, keep your elbows locked in, down, and then the crunch. I'll go about 15 to 20 reps. Go about 3 or 4 times. That's the first one. All right, this next one I'll recommend is this contraption right here. Sometimes it's hard for people to do, but if you can hold yourself up, I definitely recommend doing knee lifts and straight leg lifts. So you're gonna go here, bring your legs up straight. I do everything at least 3 to 4 sets. So you do about 10 reps this way. And then if you can hold yourself up, 10 reps here. Squeezing your stomach, so try to keep everything tight. Squeezing it in, here we go, 10 and 10. All right, so the next one right here is a weighted crunch. I don't know if you guys ever seen this before or if you guys got this at your gym, but here's a weighted crunch. You put weight on here. I have only 25s right now, but you can go as heavy as you like. And then try to squeeze it into your stomach. Release as far as you can back, and then squeeze. So it's good because it's adding weight to your regular standard crunch. It's also working your back as well. So same thing, I do about 3 sets, 10 to 15 times. And this is another great machine. So those are a couple exercises right there, but honestly, I don't work my core out as much as you think. But I actually do. When I'm training, like when I'm doing biceps, when I'm doing a press, every single exercise that I'm contracting my core and just keeping it tight. So that is a tip that you can use. Every exercise you do, you are actually using your core, okay? So just focus on your core, even if you're doing curls, push-ups, squat, focus always on the core, and that's gonna make it stronger and a stronger appearance. Let's keep it rolling. So another one that I do a lot is decline sit-up. So this one right here is on a decline. Make sure you lock your legs in or you're gonna fall off. Same thing with everything. I do 3 or 4 sets and it's gonna drop down to a decline. Do as many sit-ups as you can. I like this one because you can add variation to it. If I had a weight, I can come up, raise my arm up, or if I can turn side to side, do a Russian twist. Each one do at least 10 to 20 reps, do it 3 or 4 times. So this is another good one. You can mix it up however you like. One more right here is a cable machine. You actually can do this different variations. It could be right here. It could be, I usually do a high, middle, and low. But it's working your obliques. Same thing. You're gonna do at least 3 to 4 sets. So on this first one, I'm just gonna twist. So I'm trying to keep my feet straight, level, not turning, hold with it. I'm just holding it with my arms. I'm not pulling it with my arms. I'm actually just pulling it with my core. My arms are staying locked in. So twisting right here, keeping everything straight, working the obliques. Another way you can do it too is just raise it up and then chop down this way. Same thing. You want to keep your feet level, going back and forth. And then you put it on the bottom. I have another video that shows this too. Just look on my channel and then it shows you exactly how to do these plus some. But put this all the way down and then come all the way up. Same thing, so you can have it below, have it middle, and then you can have it high. Well, so thanks for checking out the video. If you are somebody who's struggling with losing belly fat or you want to start improving your health and fitness, make sure you hit me up. I'll put a link in the description so you can book a call, we can chat, see if it's a good fit. Also, check out this video next to show you more exercises that you can do to lose belly fat.